In the deep forests of the Courland Pocket, the earth still holds on to the dead.
Rumors of a steel ghost have haunted this village for 80 years.
The bog is a time capsule. Oxygen cannot reach what lies beneath.
We found her! Panzerkampfwagen VI, the Tiger!
60 tons of German steel, swallowed whole by the earth in 1945.
Rigging the beast. If the suction doesn't break, the cables will snap like thread.
Applying 40 tons of torque. The earth fights back.
The Zimmerit coating is still intact, a fingerprint of the factory that built her.
Inside, the air still smells of oil, cordite, and the swamp.
Safe on solid ground, but the bog water is now a corrosive enemy.
Relics of the crew. A personal history frozen in time.
Nature claimed it. Now, we reclaim it.
Loading up, the journey to the workshop begins. Leaving the battlefield for the first time in 80 years. A 60-ton passenger with a dark past.
Every scar on the armor tells a story of survival.
Arrival. The sanctuary of steel.
The assessment. Is she a monument, or can she run again? The hull is sound. Croup steel doesn't rot easily.
The main gun is seized. It will take weeks to open the breach.
Draining the hull. The blood of the machine is toxic.
Disassembly begins. We strip it down to the last bolt.
Fire and force. The only way to undo time.
A complex suspension. An engineering marvel. A maintenance nightmare.
Identity confirmed. We know exactly when she rolled off the line.
Washing away the ghosts.
We find the human element amidst the war machine.
The foundation is ready.
Stripping the skin. Revealing the raw steel.
Erasing 80 years of corrosion.
The pitting is deep, but the armor holds. Repairing the battle scars, but leaving the history.
Red oxide primer, the same color she wore in 1943.
A new skin for an old soldier.
The torsion bars. The secret to the Tiger's smooth ride.
Preparing the suspension mounts.
The body is ready. Now we need a heart.
The Maybach HL230. 23 litres of V12 power, currently seized solid.
Internal diagnostics. The pistons are welded to the walls by oxidation. Grinding the crank. Precision measured in microns.
Some parts can be saved. others must be reborn.
4 Solex carburetors. The lungs of the beast. The bottom end is assembled. Smooth rotation. 700 horsepower takes shape.
The spark returns.
First breath in 80 years.
It lives! The V12 roars again!
The Olvar gearbox. Semi-automatic, hydraulically operated, ahead of its time.
Dressing the gears. Smooth shifting is essential.
New friction plates for the main clutch.
The transmission is sealed, ready to transfer torque.
200 track links. Each one needs to be cleaned.
Relinking the tracks. A chain of iron.
Dunkelgelb, the iconic desert yellow base coat.
New rubber for the road wheels.
Installing the torsion bars. The spine of the suspension.
Suspension arms ready for load. The Schachtellaufwerk. Overlapping wheels for better weight distribution.
Torquing the wheels. They must support 60 tons.
She's back on her feet. The breech is operational. Can, smooth action.
Reapplying the Zimmerit. Anti-magnetic protection.
Hand-sculpted texture, just like the factory floor in 1943.
The base coat is applied. 3-tone camouflage. Hiding in plain sight.
Restoring her identity. Tiger II returns. Rewiring the nervous system.
Zeiss Optics. The eye of the hunter. Secondary armament secured.
Heart transplant complete!
Plumbing the vitals.
Cooling for the V12.
Exhaust system installed.
Sealing the engine bay.
The final marriage. Turret to hull. Lockdown. The Tiger is whole.
Pulling on the boots.
The loop is closed.
She is no longer a wreck. She is a weapon again.
Perfectionism. The job isn't done until she runs.
Steering 60 tons with fingertips.
Ammo racks filled.
Comms check. Radio operational.
Phase 3. The Awakening.
Driver in position.
Preparing for inertia start. Energizing the flywheel.
Contact! Contact! Oh!
Ignition. The heart beats.
Oil pressure stabilizing. Temps rising.
The idol of a predator.
She's warm. Gear selected.
Movement!
Burst motion under her own power. Ready to see the sun. Reborn. Ground pressure. Earth shaking. The mechanics of war.
Command position.
Testing the limits.
Tunnel vision. The tanker's world. Traverse is smooth. Hydraulic assist active.
Elevation check. Precise control.
Control steer. Turning and on a dime. Climbing power. Torque is everything. Unstoppable. Inside the belly of the beast. Running rich. Full speed run. The Tiger strikes. $60 tons versus sheet metal. No contest.
Cool down.
Test run complete.
Restored to 1944 factory condition. Not a pristine exhibit, but a working machine.
Locked and loaded.
Ready to fire. Complete. Advancing through the fog of war. Suppressing fire. The Panzer Division forms up. History in motion.
Silent watch!
The work never ends. An unmistakable silhouette.
Battle hardened!
From the bog to the museum.
But her spirit belongs in the field.
Engineering heritage. The ghost returns to the mist. Honor the history. Lest we forget.